Have you ever wondered how the health of an entire ecosystem can be determined, or what role animals play in this? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Ecosystem health is paramount not only for the countless species that call these environments home, but for us, humans too. Our very survival depends on the well-being of these intricate natural systems. Now you may be asking, how do animals fit into this picture? Well, animals, especially certain species, play a critical role in monitoring ecosystem health. Much like canaries in a coal mine, these animals can alert us to subtle shifts in their environment that could signal greater systemic issues. Their presence, behavior, and overall well-being can provide valuable insights into the state of the ecosystems they inhabit. So, you see, animals are not just inhabitants of an ecosystem. They are much more than that. Indeed, animals are not just inhabitants of an ecosystem, but also its vigilant guardians. Among the multitude of animals, there are some who take on a special role. We call them indicator species. These are the creatures that act as our environmental barometers, sensitive to changes in their habitats, and their responses provide us with valuable insights. Think of them as nature's very own litmus test. Just like how litmus paper changes color in response to acidity or alkalinity, these species respond to alterations in their environment. They are typically the first to react to changes, whether it's pollution, temperature shifts, or habitat destruction. Their presence, absence, health, or sickness can reveal volumes about the state of an ecosystem. For instance, if a particular bird species that is known to be sensitive to air pollution starts dwindling in number or shows signs of poor health, it's a clear signal that air quality in that area is deteriorating. The health and behavior of these species serve as a mirror, reflecting the overall health of our ecosystems. There are countless indicator species across the globe, each playing a unique role in its respective ecosystem. For instance, let's consider frogs. These amphibians have highly permeable skin, making them particularly sensitive to changes in water quality. A decline in frog populations can often signal issues such as pollution or habitat destruction. Then we have bees, nature's little pollinators. Changes in bee populations can indicate a variety of environmental factors, including pesticide exposure and climate change. No bees buzzing around could mean big trouble for our food supply. Certain types of fish, too, serve as key indicators. Certain fish species are sensitive to temperature changes and water pollution, providing early warnings of potential issues in aquatic ecosystems. And let's not forget about birds. Many bird species are sensitive to air quality and changes in plant biodiversity, making them excellent environmental sentinels. When these species show signs of stress or decline, it's a wake-up call for us to investigate and address potential environmental issues. So why should we care about these indicator species? The answer lies in their crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystems. Indicator species are like the canaries in the coal mine, providing early warnings of environmental changes or issues. They help us monitor the condition of an ecosystem, enabling us to address potential problems before they escalate. For instance, a decrease in the population of a certain frog species might alert us to harmful changes in water quality or climate conditions. By responding to these signals swiftly, we can take necessary measures to rectify the situation, preserving biodiversity and preventing the ecosystem from collapsing. But it's not just about the frogs, bees, or birds. It's about all of us. The health of these indicator species reflects the overall health of the environment we all share. Therefore, by paying attention to these animal emissaries, we are not only protecting them, but all life on Earth, including our own.